Welcome to the Forsyth County Schools Mindful Minute. I wanted to remind you of how we can step out of fear by bringing ourselves to the present moment. So I'll do that through sharing a personal experience of mine that happened last night. So something happened that in a normal time might not have triggered my amygdala, but since we're in a pandemic, it did trigger me into a total state of fight or flight, and I started having almost a full-blown panic attack. I had fear and anger and anxiety, all of it. So I wanted to share the practice that I did to get myself out of it. And first I had to remind myself of the many practices that I've shared through these videos of being in the present moment. So the first thing I did was I had to ground myself to the present moment by using my 5 senses. So I just started, what do I see? What do I hear? What can I touch, sense, feel, taste, all of it, just to kind of get myself into right now. And then I asked myself these 2 questions. I said, what is happening right now? And when I looked around, I was like, I'm all good. I'm right here. Everything's fine. And the second question I asked myself is what you're afraid of happening right now? And I was like, no, because what had happened was my brain had attached to these what ifs, which is future thinking, and it just started spiraling. It's really amazing how quickly we can get ourselves there, and this is something I practice every day. So I'm just being real here that I quickly went into this worst case scenario of all these things that could happen, and I just worked myself up into this state of fear. So I had to ground myself to the present moment by asking those questions, by doing the 5 senses. And then I went through a breathing practice, which I did laying down, so you can do it seated with me, or you can do it laying down. So bring your right hand to your heart and your left hand to your belly, just coming to a comfortable seat, letting your spine be really tall. Just begin to get still, closing your eyes, relaxing your face and jaw, just releasing any tension that you're holding on to. Just begin to follow the ebb and flow of your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your breathing under your palms. Maybe trying to extend your exhales, remembering that enables relaxation. I can't talk today. By bringing and triggering your parasympathetic, which is your calming nervous system. And if you notice your attention drifts to thinking or worry, just bring yourself back to the breath. It's like a coming home to yourself, to your breathing, to your true nature, which is calm. With each breath, just imagine receiving peace and calm. With each out-breath, releasing your fear. And then these are the statements that I said to myself last night. Breathing in, my breath becomes deeper. Breathing out, my breath becomes slower. Breathing in, I calm my mind and body. Breathing out, I ease everything in me. Breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I release all fear. Breathing in, I bring myself to this present moment. Breathing out, it is a wonderful moment. And then let's just repeat these key phrases for the last few breaths. Breathing in deeply, breathing out slowly, breathing in calm, Breathing out, ease. Breathing in, smile. Breathing out, release. Breathing in, present moment. Breathing out, wonderful moment. Breathing in, I release all fear. Breathing out, I release all fear and worry from my nervous system. And then just relaxing your attention, noticing how you feel. Hopefully you feel calm, and this is a practice you can use to ground yourself to the present moment, because when we stay in the present moment, we can release fear and anxiety and overwhelm. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.